In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Wayfair notifications on both the app and website. This is a useful tip for anyone who wants to reduce the number of alerts and focus on the content you really want to see. So let's get started by tackling the notifications on the website first. Begin by going to the Wayfair website. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to locate the My Account section. You can find this option typically in the upper right corner of your homepage. Clicking on My Account will take you to a page where you can manage your preferences and personal information. Within the My Account section, look for the option labeled Communication Preferences. This area allows you to customize how and when Wayfair contacts you. Scroll through the various options until you find those related to notifications. Here you will see several boxes checked, such as those for email offers, sale reminders, and other notifications. To stop receiving these notifications, simply uncheck the boxes for any item you no longer wish to receive. After you're finished, don't forget the last step: save your changes. Look for a save button or an option that confirms saving your preferences to ensure your new settings are applied. Now that we've handled the notifications on the website, let's move over to the app. Open the Wayfair app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is open, you'll want to find the account icon. It's usually located at the bottom menu bar. Tapping this icon will take you to a screen where you can access your account settings and more. Next, navigate to Settings, and within it, find Notifications. Here you'll see all options related to notifications for your app. To stop these alerts, you'll want to toggle off the Push Notifications option. This action silences notifications directly on your mobile device, meaning fewer distractions and more control over what you see and when. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Wayfair notifications on both the website and app. By following these steps, you can choose to stay informed only about what matters most to you, without the extra noise. If at any point you decide to receive notifications again, just follow these same steps, but check the boxes or toggle on the notifications you wish to reinstate. It's all about personalizing your shopping experience for optimal enjoyment. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your online experiences. See you in the next video.